It's corn break.
Yeah.
It's corn break.
I'm telling you.
It's Munchie it.
Yeah. Munchie, yes. It's Munchie do it. All right, folks, what a great story. With a determined mom, she's here. Alexia Hibbert was able to excel in her academics and receive a Bachelor of Science degree with second class upper honors. Fantastic. Eh?
Upper second class.
Yeah, fantastic.
Okay, I'm worried a while ago.
Yeah, but also.
Yes, welcome Alexia. Hello, mommy. Munchie. What going on?
Okay, you?
I saw the TikTok when you snuck up on her in your graduation gown. It was so lovely.
Thank you.
Oh, yes. You felt it.
I really felt it. I was so sweating, shaking.
So, mommy, tell me what kind of road this has been, because university don't cheat.
No, it's not.
Tell me about the goals you had for her. When you had her, what did you want for her?
The best. So it's both of them. It's two of them. So I always want the best for them. And I'm always saying, sky's the limit. Be a leader and not a follower. So I guess she just work with it, because you see her bachelor degree, political leadership. Yeah, so she followed my advice. I'm going to be the next prime minister.
Hey, how long have you been down at Hero Circle?
All my life.
Wow.
Before I was even born, because that's where school us. I have 10 more siblings. Yeah.
There are 11 of you.
11.
Big family.
Big.
And you're still downtown, aren't you?
Living there? No.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. She not bring no con, but I'm not vexed with that. Alex, yes, go on.
Why politics?
So
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. It's huge what you've done, but why politics?
Okay, so the degree is political leadership and strategy management. So the reason for leadership, as I've stated before, is that, you know, my mom, I see her as a leader. And I think that to honor her, I would go to school and do it the more upper level way, to come out and be something good. The reason for politics as well is because, you know, there is a lot of corruption in politics. And I think that if we, the younger generation, see it from now and come up and, you know, try to change it, I think there will be a change. So that's why.
But you know, that's just strange what you said, because I would think that's the reason you wouldn't go to politics, because, you know, nobody say you're corrupt like the rest of them.
That's true, but then again, you can always come and change it.
Right.
She wants to make a difference. Good girl, good girl. Munchie, how hard has it been, or how hard was the journey to be able to send them to school, fund their education, especially at the university level? Cannot be easy.
No, it wasn't.
Down there hot.
Hot.
And when the pot a bubble, it hotter.
Oh God, I remember one day the pot of soup turned over on my hand. And my God, for 2 days I didn't sleep. The agony.
The whole pot turned over?
Not the whole of it. It was turning over. I didn't want to let it go. So I just hold it, crying out for help. You know what I mean? But it wasn't easy.
And there are days when you didn't want to go out.
Oh my, there are days when I see the clock say 3:30 and I'm like,
I'm sorry, the clock say what?
3:30.
Wait.
A.M.
A.M.
That's why when we come in the morning time, after smile, you know, have corn.
Yes.
So what does a typical day look like for you? You get up at 3:30?
3:30, we have to go to the market. Come back, say, no, all when things are going on the market, we're still down there. We have to just pray. Yes. We have to just pray and beg God for just cover us. You know, and then just pull us through the day.
And you're at your store by what time?
Like about 6:30.
And you start cooking from there?
Yeah, but I have somebody that helps me, so he will put on the stuff. Sometimes early.
And Sunday is the only day
No, we don't work on
Sunday. That's why I said Sunday is the only day you don't work.
Early is like what time? Like if you come there 3 o'clock, you're there in the afternoon?
I will be there, but you don't must get soup.
Sit there.
What was it like downtown? Because you hear so much gunshot and thing downtown, and I just think downtown is the greatest place in the whole world. Every time I come downtown, I say, what a nice place.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
but
you hear all kind of stuff. So what was that like for you growing up with, not you growing up, but growing your kids?
Well, it was rough. Trust me. Because we used to live in Denham Town, you know.
Wow.
And I remember one day, I think when the Adams incursion, I saw her crawling on the ground like a caterpillar during those gunshots. And I said, God, I have to get out of this. I can't keep her here. You know what I mean? So I push hard and here she is today.
So, lady, when you look at what your mom has done, and the sacrifices she has made for you, how do you feel?
I feel very happy to know that I have a mom that I can always depend on. And because she's always there for us, to be honest, I've always said it to my friends, if...
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Breathe. If... Yes, man. It's okay. See, I love this. Because she sacrificed for you, and now you just want to make her proud, right? And that's what you're going to do with this degree? And I say your friends couldn't believe that's what your mom did. When you told them, why were they surprised?
Basically because, you know, sometimes because you put yourself together and so forth, people always think that, you know, you have a different background, different. Because someone said to me the other day, they couldn't believe that it was me. On Instagram, because I have such a background, so I was saying, what do you mean by that? It's not because I have, you know, a mom doing what she's doing, mean that I can't look good, I can't come on Instagram and be Alexia that you know. So I was saying, what do you know about, what do you mean by that? So as I was saying before, I don't know what I would do without my mom. So yeah.
So what do you think she's supposed to look like? You know what I mean?
Like her problem, I guess.
I mean, and
I don't have
your
any
mom
problem.
has
We
a
don't.
good job. She has her own business and obviously doing well.
Well.
Because me never drive down there yet and by myself. I mean, you guys do good business, don't you? You have good support?
I do.
Loyal customers.
Yeah, judge, doctors.
Yeah.
Well, Munchie, me vex
The
with
good,
you.
the bad, and the indifferent.
No, Munchie, me vex with you proper.
Isn't that Munchie broke your teeth, you know?
No, but Munchie could have bring something for us.
That's what I
No,
told her, but
it-
she was here, so she
Right.
couldn't. So we're going to go down to Munchie.
No, Munchie, get up and
who down there now?
Well, my sister is there, Marsha and Mixie. And the whole stretch, you know, we are all related.
Well, I know.
You're
Well,
all related?
Yeah, we are all cousins.
everybody down there?
Everyone.
No way.
Yes, we.
Can we do a feature on
Well, I know, man. So what you say? So you is Munchie, them have Maxim, and then it makes M again.
Munchie,
Yeah,
Punchie.
Mixie, yeah, Marsha, yeah.
Mixie, Maxi, Munchie, Marsha, up here M.
So if
My
we go
mother
down
said
there
it was
after
all
this,
about money, money, money.
yes, so the end.
No, but seriously, what you say a while ago? So all of the vendors all are related?
Yeah, we are all cousins.
Every single one?
Every single one. We are all the Thomases' children.
I love that so
So the
much.
Thomases are all sisters.
We don't want a bell mix up in that.
No.
I am
No,
speaking
they
to
say
Munchie.
money or bail dropping.
Eh?
You're going to make too much noise.
Run where your customer them. Anyway, I'm coming down there after, so whomever is down there, you're saying will take good care.
Yeah, Mixie and Marsha.
What's the next step for you, lady?
I'm actually doing my master's now.
Oh, what? Yes.
Oh, yeah, man.
And the master's is in what?
Human resource development.
How far? You just started that?
Yes, I'm in my first semester. The degree is basically 2 years. So by 2024, I should be finished.
And
Are you
then
going to work at Jinx? You're going to work at all while you're doing the master's?
Well, my mom said I don't need to work. So every time I try to do something, she's always like, Alio, that's my nickname, by the way. Why do you need to work? Have you covered and, you know, stuff like that. So she's like, why do you need to work?
Munchinella. You see, me never married her. Me would have married you.
You can marry Munchie.
Munchinella.
Come over here, Alex. Alex, I'm my girl. I cannot believe. So you don't want her to do anything until she's done.
Until she's finished.
I love that. I love that.
So
With the grace
awesome.
of God, you know?
I love that.
So doctorate after masters?
No,
You're done when they say masters. Bricks.
Yeah, she have to break because you have another one outside.
True.
And I guess she get enough so the next one time.
So where is
turn
the other
on.
one now in school?
She's out in the
No,
lobby.
where is it? What level is she in school? High school?
No, she's at UTEC now.
She's at UTEC.
Hold on. Mommy, did see us about the Prime Minister thing?
well, let's see. I guess she's
Next Prime Minister of Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen, Alexia Hibbert. Joined us this morning, and you heard it here on Smile.
Yeah.
First.
I look at minister position. Me and my wife.
Get Munchie's in your wife. What's wrong with
not
you?
yet. Munchie, we are talk. Boy,
Bachelor of Science degree graduate Alexia Hibbert and mother Makeisha
No, it's Munchie's name. It's
Wallker.
can't pronounce that.
Go today to Heroes Circle and buy all the crab
And
all
corn.
the soup
Roast yam and
all the
saltfish.
corn. You have
Roast-
roast yam and
Yes,
Saltfish.
my sister, the roast
No,
yam and
ma'am, you come
saltfish.
check the Munchie.
We are going to Munchie.
Her name is Marsha.
Welcome, though.
We're going to after the show. Remember what?
True joke, no joke, you know.
No
my wife
joke
coming.
about it.
All right.
Make up
But you
your...
won't be seeing us in
Anyway,
the today's graduation.
Oh.
No, tomorrow.
No, it's today.
Do your thing, do your thing.
Anyway, the floor manager have been kittens time while we go for a break. So we're going for a break.
Roast yam? That's all? Boiled
Yeah,
corn?
man, saltfish. So that we want. What's that?
All 4 can you buy one time? You know? Clive, walking in front of the camera. We'll be right back. Good job, Clive.
Clive just lose him
Clive,
work.
you need to go to US.